Why is kale never lonely? Because it comes in bunches. Aww. Okay, my friends, we got some oldie but goodie footage here from one of my very, very favorite salads in the whole entire world. I just never even posted this recipe for real on my YouTube channel. So here we are. We're going to take like 5 or 6 big leaves of dino or lacinato kale. This is my favorite kind for this particular salad. You're going to strip off those leaves. Don't worry if you drop some on the floor, just pick it up. Strip off some of those leaves off of the ribs of the kale. You don't want to have those ribs that are super, super tough. You don't want to eat that. Yuck. Strip those off. Look how much kale you have right now. But I'm going to show you a secret to make this super, super delicious. I'm just going to rip these up into smaller pieces, kind of like bite-sized pieces, and you'll see the difference after I've done this step. I don't usually like to use a knife and a cutting board just for this part when I can use my hands. Sometimes I'll even use gloves to do it because you'll see in a second my hands will get super, super green like the Hulk from all those awesome vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and things like that. So just breaking it up really small. As I'm breaking it up, if I find any of those little ribs in there, I'll kind of just remove those, throw those out, so it can be a really nice, pleasant salad to chew on as I go to eat it. Then this is the most important step here. This is called massaging the kale. You want to make sure that you massage this kale so that it gets softer and more pliable. And literally what I'm doing is just smushing it in my hands. Bit by bit, just takes a couple minutes. Look at the difference in size now between what we started with and what we have now. Super soft, pliable, and this makes all the difference. See, there's my hands super green, like I said. The massaging is the most important part. Now we're going to add some dressing here. You have a choice of doing a fat here, so either avocado or tahini. I prefer tahini, but I had avocado in this video. Just mash it into that kale, mix it all around, and then I'm showing you adding some nuts and seeds, either some hemp seeds or some, and I have some pumpkin seeds too. You can skip those seeds if you want because you have the avocado, and either way with the avocado or the tahini, you're getting some fat to actually help you absorb more of the nutrients from that kale in the salad. So then you move on and you add some lemon juice and some nutritional yeast, mix it all together, and your salad is done. It's amazing. Check out this beautiful salad. I just taste it. If you've never had kale before, this is the recipe I suggest you start with. I've had so many people in my comment section talking about how they never had kale before and this salad changed their life. So give it a go, please. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. Very versatile. It's a great base for lots of other ingredients. Hope you love it. If you want to get the exact recipe, just go to my website and sign up for the cheat sheets, thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets. Hope to see you over there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!